Hello everyone. Today we discuss about catabolism versus anabolism. What's the difference? Your metabolism involves a set of processes that all living things use to maintain their bodies. These processes include both anabolism and catabolism. Both help organize molecules by feeding and capturing energy to keep the body running strong. This phase of metabolism happens simultaneously. Anabolism centers around growth and building. The organization of molecules in this process, small, simple molecules are built up into larger, more complex ones. An example of anabolism is gluconeogenesis. This is when the liver and kidneys produce glucose from non carbohydrate sources. On the other side, catabolism is what happens when you digest food and the molecules break down in the body for use as energy. Large, complex molecules in the body are broken down into smaller, simple ones. An example of catabolism is glyco, glycolysis. This process is almost the reverse of gluconeogenesis or gluconeogenesis. Understanding anabolism and catabolism can help you train more effectively to lose fat and gain muscle. Rest is also a part of the equation. Your metabolism is at work even when you are sleeping. Now, hormones involves in metabolism and anabolism. Your hormones play an important role in this process. Different hormones in the body are associated with either anabolism and catabolism. Anabolism involves the hormones, that is estrogen, insulin, growth hormone, testosterone. And catabolism involves the hormones adrenal, cortisol, cytokines, or glucagon. Any disruption to your hormone, like thyroid conditions, may also affect these processes. And your overall metabolism, for example, a small study on bodybuilders examined their hormonal, anabolic, and catabolic balance as they prepared for competition. Some of the men continued training and eating as usual, while others were energy restricted to reduce their body fat. The energy restricted group saw significant decreases in their body fat and muscles mass compared to the control. Their insulin and growth hormone levels also decreased throughout the duration of the study. Testosterone level too decreased between 11 to 5 weeks before competition. In other words, the men's anabolic pathways were compromised even in those who were talking in high protein. The researchers concluded that the bodybuilders may need to employ other nutritional strategies to prevent a catabolic breakdown effect before competition. Now, how catabolism and anabolism affect body weight? Since anabolism and catabolism are part, as you know. So, since anabolism and catabolism are parts of your metabolism, these processes affect your body weight. Remember, when you are in an anabolic state, you are building and maintaining your muscle mass. When you are in a catabolic state, you are breaking down or losing overall mass, both fat and muscle. You may be able to manipulate your body weight by understanding these processes and your overall metabolism. Both the anabolic and catabolic process leads to fat loss over time. With regard to your weight on the bathroom scale as a benchmark, however, things can get a bit tricky. If you do a lot of anabolic workouts, you will tend to shed fat and maintain or even gain muscle. Muscle is more dense than fat, so your body weight and body mass index may stay higher despite a leaner physique. Catabolic workouts, on the other hand, may help you shed pounds by working off both fat and muscles. You will weight less, but you will also have far less critical muscle mass. You can think of these processes as an equation to predict whether or not you may lose or gain weight. Take catabolism, how much energy your body produces, and subtract anabolism, how much energy your body uses. If you produce more than you use, you may pack on pounds as the energy gets stored away as fat. If you use more than you produce, the opposite may happen. There are exceptions, of course, especially if you have underlying medical conditions that affect your hormones. Now, catabolic and anabolic exercises working your body in different ways can produce different results. Cardio and strength training are each associated with different metabolic processes. Catabolic exercises are aerobic or cardio exercises. They may include moves like running, swimming, biking, where you are in a steady active state for a relatively long period of time. According to the American College of Sport Medicines, aim to get at least the following amounts of aerobic exercises each week that I mentioned now: 150 minutes of moderate intensity or 75 minutes of vigorous intensity. This is usually broken down into 3 to 5 days of training. If you have a history of health conditions, check in with your doctor to get the okay before starting this regime. Your heart rate, blood pressure, and respiration all rise during catabolic exercise. The body breaks down glycogen during your sweat sessions to use as fuel. When you run out of carbohydrate stores, your body's cortisol uses amino acids to create energy. So, as a result, catabolic exercises may help you build a healthy heart and lungs, but they also cause you to lose body mass, both muscle and fat. If effectively breaks down muscle over time, some of these muscle may be rebuilt during sleep or rest or 8 hours or more through spontaneous anabolic processes. Now, anabolic, if you are looking to build muscle, being in a catabolic state for long can work against you. It can decrease your muscle mass and even compromise your overall health. Preventing catabolism is all about keeping and good balance between your nutrition, training and recovery. Muscle can be maintained by training 3 or 4 days a week. Now, muscle group, chest and abdominals. Now I'm describing about the workout chart. Muscle group, first chest and abdominal exercise, which you can do for this: incline barbell and bench press, flat dumbbell press or flat dumbbell bench press, cable crossover, and crunches 3 set to 50 25 reps for chest and abdominal. Now, quadriceps and hamstrings and calves, leg extension, barbell squats, incline leg presses, dumbbell lunges, standing leg curls, lying leg curls, standing machine calf raises. Now, back, biceps and abdominal, wide grip pull up 3 sets to 10 reps, close grip lat pull down, bent over barbell row, barbell deadlift, hanging leg raises. 3 sets of 25 reps. And last, the shoulder and triceps. Seated dumbbell shoulder press, standing dumbbell lateral raises, and reverse fly, dumbbell shrug, triceps push down, lying triceps extension. Unless otherwise noted, perform each exercises in 3 sets of 15 repetitions, working down to 12 and then 8 repetitions overall to stay in an anabolic state and maintain your muscle mass. You must train this way regularly. Working together. So you can also do exercises that are a blend of both anabolic and catabolic. Anabolism requires energy to grow and build, and catabolism uses energy to break down. These metabolic processes work together in all living organisms to do things like produce energy and repair cells. Understanding the difference between anabolic and catabolic processes may help you reach your goal in the gym and on the scale, whatever you are looking to achieve. Regular exercise, cardio, and strength training, plus a diet rich in whole food can help you stay healthy on the inside and outside. That's the video on my friends. And if you like my blogs, please subscribe, share, like, share, and comment on my channel. Thanks a lot for your precious time to watching my videos. Have a good day, my friend.